Hindi ko alam, Kian, that season 3 of Starstruck, you were top 14. And then, do we have a photo? May litrato tayo ni Kian. It's a video!
Oh my God.
It's a video! Panoorin natin. Sige nga, let's watch this.
Wow.
Okay, there.
Wala.
Wala? Wala. There.
Ayan na!
The last guy from Manila is Kian Edward Cipriano. Ito ang pangalawa niyang pagsubok na pumasok sa Starstruck. He made it to the top 40, but eventually, he dropped out of the search to fulfill his dream of becoming part of a new band.
Starstruck! Starstruck!
Anong kwento? Ang cute mo doon. Nakita mo, China?
Ito yung kwento na ayoko sa ikwento, sa totoo lang. Dahil parang iba siyang face
ng buhay mo.
ko.
Alright.
Kasi noong time na yun, yung nanay ko gusto niya mag-artista.
Hi,
Tapos,
Mami!
hi, Mami.
Hi, Mami.
Yung video na yun, dito magkaaway kami ng Mami ko. No?
Dahil ayaw mo?
Dahil ayaw ko. Tapos sabi
Okay.
ko, may mga camera sa labas. May ano raw, parang kasi hindi ko siya like, kumbaga hindi ko siya gusto talagang gawin.
Was that the reason why you backed out from the top
Yes,
14?
kasi mas gusto ko na i-pursue yung music. Mas parang gusto ko na sumugal at tumalon sa pagbabanda. At pagsusulat ng kanta, mas gusto ko na gano'n. Ito, ayan oh. Parang alam ko na...
Oh my gosh! It's Salem!
Pero ang cute mo, ah.
Isa siyang malaking trip. Pero I mean...
Pero
okay
naunawaan ng nanay?
na
Eventually.
hindi nung una.
Pero eventually she understood.
Yeah, kasi parang sinasabi niya,
Okay.
ito yung opportunity sa'yo, nandiyan ka na, ganyan. Tapos para ako, hindi ko siya rin magagawa ng tama kasi hindi ako masaya. Nasabi ko rin sa mami ko na, tinan mo, mami, sinunod ko yung tingin kong gusto ko.
Masaya
Tapos
ako.
napunta rin siya na naging actor din ako at
Oo
naging
nga.
director din ako at napuntahan ko rin yung gusto mo mangyari pero kinailangan ko lang sundin yung gut ko nung time na yun dahil alam ko hindi ko siya magagawa ng tama dahil
As an entry point, di ba?
Yeah.
5 and up.
Yes, Tito Boy. The
Naalala ko yun.
Oh my gosh.
Sinong kasabayan mo? Atom Arroyo?
Atom Araulio, Maxine Magalona. Oh my God.
Alam mo kung bakit? Hindi lang tayo nagkasalubong dahil batang-bata ka. But I used to be the publicist of 5 and Up because I was handling the probe team of course, the great Cheche Lazaro.
Yes.
Kung saan nakasalubong ko ang mga bigating Maria Ressa,
Yes.
Lucy Valdez Cruz, kahit sila Karen Davila.
Yes.
But you were doing 5 and Up. What do you remember?
It is the best formative experience in my life because, Tito Boy, bata ako na sheltered. Tapos all of a sudden, binigyan ako ng freedom ng magulang ko na i-explore. And dahil sa probe, napunta ako sa iba't ibang lugar. I met so many influential people. And then I got to discover what I really wanted early on in my life.
Which was?
I really wanted to be in media.
Okay.
So,
Pero while doing 5 and Up, ano ang hindi mo malilimutan?
hindi ko po malilimutan talaga
You like yung prominent people, sinong hindi mo malilimutang prominent person na
You know what?
nakasalubong?
One of the most influential for me was Lucy Cruz Valdez.
Oh!
Because she was training me one Saturday and she gave me one of the most really valuable lessons.
Which was?
She said, you know what, Sheena? Learn to listen to people when you talk to them and have conversations with them. All of this, mga guide questions, mga research is there for you to read, but ang pinaka-storya ay manggagaling sa conversation. Matuto kang makinig at dun mo i-base lahat.
Galing.
So, yun. Parang after nun talagang I really understood what she said and na-fuel yung stories ko nung
At
bata
saka,
ako because
alam
of
mo,
that.
Sheena, Kian, listening is not just for hosts.
Yes.
Kahit musikero, you listen to your gut, you listen to your
Actors.
audience, you listen actors.
Actors.
You know, as Tom Hanks would say, I drown in the eyes of my co-actor. It's really a lot of listening.
Yes.
Di ba? So, Lucy, if you're watching, hello. Pero nung panahon, galing, nung mga panahon na yon, hindi ko rin akalain na I was dealing with some of the greatest broadcast journalists. Wala talaga. I was just working, I just wanted to survive, gusto ko sumrendo lang para may makain. But ngayon, looking back, wow, Maria Ressa, Lucci, di ba?
Yes,
Galing.
Cheche Lazaro.
Actually, ito ba yun yung sinasabi namin ni China rin palagi sa anak namin, lalo si Stellar yung panganay, na lagi kang matutong makinig sa lahat ng gagawin mo. Kung anong gusto mong pasukin, basta anong interest mo, matuto kang makinig. Kasi yun ang buhay. Kailangan matuto ka lang makinig.
Tama.
Para
Tama. You know,
maintindihan mo.
in my hosting classes, meron kami, just listen.
Yes.
And then build the conversation from
Yeah.
there.